If you've been working at piano reading for a long time and you still feel stuck, the problem may not be you. It might be how you were trained. Because a lot of pianists think they have a reading problem when what they actually have is a breakdown in the mechanics of how reading actually works at the piano. Here's what this usually looks like. You might lose your place when you try to take a quick glance at your hands. You hesitate when you're going between treble and bass clef. You have to stop and figure out the notes, and maybe it's hard to keep a steady rhythm while you're reading the notes. That's not just reading being hard, that's specific skills not working together quite yet. And this is the part that most people were never shown. Reading at the piano is not one skill, it's several skills happening at the same time. It is instant note recognition, it is switching between clefs, it's tracking your place on the page, coordinating your eyes and your hands. If even one of these is slow, then the whole system is going to break down. If you want to get really clear on this, I put together a quick piano reading audit. You can click the link down below, go through it, and I'll show exactly which one of these things is slowing you down. Now, to be clear, everyone learns to read the same way at first. You find the note, you think about it, you play it. Of course, that's slow in the beginning, and it's supposed to be. However, with repetition, that process does get faster. That's why I use drills to help students learn notes quickly, and I have them reading music that gets them moving around the keyboard early on, even if it's just in very simple ways. But here's why many people get stuck. That process never becomes fully automatic. So instead of recognizing notes instantly, you're still figuring them out. Instead of moving confidently, you're hesitating. Instead of tracking the music smoothly, you lose your place the moment you look down. One of the biggest missing skills is this, being able to glance at your hands and come right back up to the page without getting lost. If you can't do that, reading will never feel stable. And on top of that, piano is unique because, well, you're reading two clefs at once. So if that coordination isn't fully developed, it creates constant delay and confusion and, to be honest, a bit of frustration. So if you've been stuck, it's not that you can't read music. It's that transition from figuring it out to automatic reading that never really quite got off the ground. And once you fix that, once these mechanics start working together, reading feels completely different.